Views are like having the superpower of querying your Drupal database for exactly the information you want. In fact, that's what they are, because Drupal Views is a wrapper with some complex options for SQL queries. If you've learned SQL, that's great, but you don't need it because the Views interface has everything covered. Views can be found all over your site, from the content list to taxonomy terms pages to even the front page view itself. We can see the full list of views at Manage Structure Views. Let's take a look at the front page view. There are 3 columns of options that let you configure what shows up. Then below, there's a preview of the results. If you make changes here, they will affect the preview, but they won't be saved until you explicitly save changes to the view, or you can discard your changes if you'd rather. In the first column is the view's title, as seen at the top of the view. In this case, there is none. Under the Format section, we're showing our results as an unformatted list. Here's where we could change it to Grid View, or Map View, or any other formatter you have available. Under Show, we can choose whether to show the rendered content, here rendered as the teaser view mode, or fields. Since we're showing a content rendered as teaser, there's no need to list fields. Down under the Filter criteria is some of the meat of this view. It's showing content that is promoted to the front page, is published, and has a language matching the site-selected language. The Sort section shows that it's sorting first by sticky, and then by the content's authored on date. So that's the front page view in a nutshell. Show me content that's promoted and published, with the newest first, and sticky posts at the top. Not too bad. The middle column determines where the view shows up, whether it's in a menu, and whether you need special permissions to see it. Here it is showing on the page /node. And I know that my Drupal site is configured for the front page to be at /node. This is how this view shows up on my homepage. You could add text to the view's header or footer, and choose what to display when there are no results. Here is a warning written that you might have seen before: no front page content has been created yet. Finally, we can present the results across multiple pages using a pager, or all in one. Under the Advanced column are contextual filters, which are filters where the value depends on what page you're on. For example, on the cat page, your view would show content tagged with cats, and on the dog page, your view would show content tagged with dogs. The idea of getting the value from the page that you're on is contextual filters. Next are relationships, which let you access properties of related entities, like the object you're on's parent collection's title. In SQL, this is doing a join across different tables. These are some options relating to exposed forms, which we don't have, and some more obscure advanced options. Let's say we only want to see repository items in our front page view, no articles. We could add a filter criteria, select content type, say is one of, and choose repository item. Apply, and the preview shrinks to only showing repository items. If I don't want to commit these changes, I could safely click the cancel button and no harm's done. We have a number of Islandora YouTube videos about Drupal views, and also a recorded webinar. For more, see also Chapter 9, Creating Listings with Views, on the Drupal User Guide.